you're paying on impressions. Hey, hi guys, my name is Trevor Looney, and today I just want to speak to you guys in regards to doing Facebook advertisements. Okay, so here this is actually my production team. So how do we do ads here is we go to Ad Center on our Facebook page, and then we click on create ads. So last time Facebook actually have a very wide range of many different ads, and now they actually help us to actually come up with a few plans. So how you're able to get a boost of posts, you're able to get more messages, you're able to promote your page, get more video views, get more website visitor, get more leads. Okay, you're able to choose one of them. So boost a post, pretty much it doesn't work for me, because I still feel that people coming here to look at your post, to like your post, you're paying on impressions and stuff. So it's actually pretty expensive for me in the long run. And then next is actually getting more messages from people. Like for example, today if I'm selling anything on Facebook, for example, maybe I'm selling watches, I'm selling bicycles and stuff like that, I'm able to actually get people to talk to me. So I'm able to actually sell them this product. I'm able to bundle them with other things. I'm able to add on things like maybe when you buy a bike from me, I'm able to give you a free water bottle. I'm able to give you a free brake pads. I'm able to give you other things. Okay, so you want to get people to talk to you, you can actually choose the second option. And what you can do is here you can actually type in all the different tags, and also send message button will appear on the ad, so they can just click on it and they will start sending messages to you. Okay, so let me just hit back. Next is towards promoting your page. For example, today you are using Facebook page as a branding for yourself, and you want to actually promote your page so people get to know you and get to know who you are, what you do, what are your services, and what do you have to show them. Alright, you can just click on promote page and they will bring you through all these different things, and at the same time they will actually do a like page and stuff like that. So it's way more easier than how we actually do things back in the past, where Facebook ads are much more way complicated than how they were. Okay, you can get more views on video, you can get more towards website. Like for example, like Home Thoughts, when I'm selling my products, I can actually click on this is actually towards website conversion. So you can actually type in the URL Home Thoughts and they will actually generate something here. For example, now if I change it to maybe one of my website is maybe let's change it to Wix.com. Okay, so they will actually scrap out all the information that you have in Wix and they will actually put it here. Oh, okay, unable to display the preview of the ads. So maybe let me just put in something. Yeah, they also provide you like stocks images, whatever images that you have on your page, whatever that you have on your Instagram, you are able to actually use them and post it outside so people are able to know who you are. So it's way easier now, much more easier than how you are doing it last time. Yeah, you can actually see like create a free website, all these things. These are actually all the description in your website when you create them. Who are the one that is making all these different advertisements. You can see sponsor ad, and then apply now. You can even change that. You can even change the call to action button to like maybe book now, contact us, download, learn more, request time, see menu, shop now, and even sign up. Great, right? The best thing here is actually you can choose the targets that you are going to target. Alright, here you can see audiences. Click on edit. You can target men or women, or I don't think there's the in between. Okay, so you can choose all men or women. You can even change the age gap. Like for example, maybe I want to target people in the mid-30s all the way to 65. The location, you don't want to target United States. You want to go into somewhere maybe nearer to yourself. Like for me now, I'm in Singapore. Maybe I want to target the Singapore people. I click it and then maybe I'll just target Woodlands. Okay, I find that maybe this is a little bit too big. Maybe I just want to target a smaller people. Maybe I can just drop a pin somewhere here. I just click and drop. So they can actually minimize the people that are looking at. But because Singapore is pretty small, so whatever pin that you drop, you're able to actually cover at least 80% of it. Okay, yeah. So yeah, pretty much this is for the website, and you can even get more leads. Clicking on get more leads, they will come out with this. How your customer is able to give you more information of them. You can even ask for phone numbers and stuff like that. So pretty much it's like a form where people actually fill up and they send it to you. You're able to use this form to get more information on your customers. So pretty much this is how you actually use the Facebook ads. And my name is Trevor Looney. I hope this video will help you guys into understanding how you're able to do Facebook ads. Hey, hi guys, my name is Prabal Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video, alright? If you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay? Share with your friends on Facebook, you know, I'm gonna put out all these videos, every social media accounts that I have, alright? Like this video, you know, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.